Here is UI images of Robotaxi which was used in event. Through this UI, you can start and stop your ride of Robotaxi by only touching. Here are some clips or videos showing the entire process of Tesla latest Robotaxi, such as from getting on the car and driving to the getting off. This ride-sharing machine has Grok 3 voice command UI for Robotaxi or Cybercab. Tesla Robotaxi provides an immersive autonomous travel experience with butterfly door, 3D navigation, games and movies all in motion. The future is closer than you think because there is no steering wheel. There is a large screen to confirm the order of food or anything and any type of route. You can also watch movies such as Dune, Star Trek and Avatar 4 while driving. During this event, Elon Musk unveiled two key products for the future. First one is Cybervan and second one is Robotaxi.